Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Genshin Impact in iPhone. So to do that, first of all, you just need to be in your app library, and now you just need to go ahead and find App Store, which is right on top. So once you tap on it, just go ahead and tap on search in your bottom bar. Once you're there, just type in Genshin and you'll find it on the right on top. Once you tap there, as you can see, I have already downloaded the app, but if you have not downloaded it, instead of the open button over there, you will find get or iCloud backup option. So all you would need to do is just tap on the button. So guys, that's how you download Genshin Impact in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.